Hi bazala bamzitho, welcome to Umkosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni. Umkosi wethu namhlanje bazala bamzitho, it's about uSjava. There are rumors that uSjava udlengule uAmanda Black, guys. These rumors we don't know yet who started them and what is the reason for that person to start the rumors. And we are saying it's rumors because uAmanda Black akakaze washo ukuthi mina noSjava we've been in relationship of Java did this thing to me. No, akakaze wayisho Amanda Black and uSjava akakaphumi nayo I deny the allegations because these are allegations. No one party they are spreading even now on TikTok. If you can search Java or on Twitter, you will see that a lot of people they are saying yes, I believe Amanda Black, but Amanda Black has said nothing, guys. She didn't say anything good to no Java. And I've never heard Minok Java, the Amanda Black, they are in a relationship. I don't know where these people taking from these rumors, and I'm not saying they are not true, guys. I'm not saying they are not true, but because he intends Amanda Black, I think it's unfair for someone to post his story so because guys, we know that rumors they can destroy career. Rumors they can destroy career, but a lot of guys, especially women, guys, they are saying, but they do believe these rumors because of Indabaga. Ladies Zama no Java. Remember, most few years back, Ladies Zama uke waphuma wathi uSjava umdlengulile, and she's still saying that, guys. She's still telling a story inside that uSjava umdlengulile, but uSjava keep any recording akhuluma no Ladies Zama. It was a call recording, guys, whereby ambuza ukuthi why did you do this. Then Ladies Zama waphendula wathi no, I just wanted to get your attention, guys. And since then I don't know what happened. Or Ladies Zama she did open a case. I don't remember kuthiwa uLady Zama uvulile icala engathi into nje yayaba into social media yaphela ku social media, because I've never seen uSjava kuthiwa attend icala, but that those allegations that, guys, they did destroy career kaSjava because uSjava lost a lot of bookings the time nje kuthiwa nangu phela uSjava udlengula uLady Zama. And after that, after Java has produced that call recording, uLady Zama did naye into lose a lot of money and a lot of bookings because about the they were saying you cannot just because you want someone's attention, you cannot just say that is so unfair and that is wrong, guys, because this thing or if they want something from it's wrong, guys. It's wrong. As much as amadoda amaningi eSouth Africa or South Africa idume kakhulu or inenamba enkulu ye-GBV and i-AR, guys, ukudlengula, that doesn't mean ukuthi wena mawucobekile or if you feel as if no angifuna nje ukumthola lo, you'll just go and say, you know what, mina lo muntu lo ungidlengule. It's wrong, guys, but you are just waiting for Amanda Black I confirm with these rumors are true or not. Nje mina I for one I think ukuthi yabo into ezosiza now which Amanda Black I keep a statement. If she doesn't want to talk about this thing, I should I don't want to talk about this thing. If these rumors they are indeed truth, I should, because at this moment we don't even know ukuthi ezengobani aqale ngobani these rumors. And uSjava naye ngabe uyashageza igama like, you know, this thing uSjava ngathi yamlandela. If these rumors they are not true, uSjava mina amthole lo muntu amsuwe, because now we know that uSjava keeping on and the song is doing great, guys. The last thing he needs now is trendela GBV, is trendela rape, guys. That is the last thing I think I emhlabeni manje, because if izochubeka lento and Amanda Black akasho next no Java akasho next, I'm telling you izoyenza icareer kaSjava ingabi right. And now I for one I cannot support umuntu who the allegations out there about he cannot take no. Akekho umuntu omdala ongazi no, guys. And now in South Africa I don't think or anywhere in the world akekho umuntu ongazi ukuthi no. There are campaigns teaching abafana and amadoda about when a woman says no. But bazala mzitho, that is all for now. Please don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, share and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.